Hi everyone, how are you? Are you ready to start your class? Okay, today our title will be about Unit 5, making a time capsule. So this is a time capsule. By the end of the lesson, pupils are able to give the meaning of the difficult words, answer questions based on a comprehension text, complete a dialogue based on a listening text. Here are a few examples of time capsule. So what is a time capsule? A time capsule will show people in the future what is our life like right now. So normally you will put things in a time capsule, photos, letters, things that you have currently into a bottle, and then it will be kept and buried for the future people to see. Tell people in the future about your life now. Here's how to make a time capsule. Choose some everyday things, put them in a box, and leave them in a secret place for someone in the future to find. The person who finds the box will learn about what life is like now by looking at the things. You will need 5 to 6 things: paper, a pen and some pencils, a box, a plastic bag, strong tape, a permanent marker pen. Choose 5 to 6 things that show what life is like now. Avoid things that need electronic equipment to work. Avoid means elakkan, 避免. Okay, so don't put in electronic equipment. For example, handphone, PlayStation, these are electronic equipment. Don't forget, CD players and computers will be very different in the future. Write a letter to the finder of the time capsule. Put the things and the letter in a box. Put the box in a plastic bag and seal it with strong tape. Write your name, today's date, and the date you want the box to be opened on the back. Use a permanent marker pen so that people will be able to read it in 50 years' time. Make a hole in the garden and bury your time capsule. Draw a map to show where your time capsule is. Keep it somewhere safe. Now try to forget about it. The new words in this lesson: capsule, equipment, cell, permanent, bury. Capsule, equipment, seal, permanent, bury. Number 1. Read the information about making a time capsule. Look at the pictures. Which thing wouldn't you put in a time capsule? Why not? So we shouldn't put electronic things into a time capsule because electronic things might spoil. Read the text again and answer the questions. If you make a time capsule, what will it show people in the future? The keywords here: people in the future. Okay, so it will show people about your life now. Okay, your life, we need to change to my life or our life. So when we are answering comprehension questions, we need to look for the keywords. Carikan kata kunci dia dan carikan jawapan dalam petikan. What will you put in the box with your chosen objects? Okay, so what will you put in the box? The keywords in the box. Okay, the letter. Okay, so you need to put things and the letter. What will you put the box into? Okay, so the keywords put the box into. Put the box in a plastic bag. Okay, so you put the box into a plastic bag. What two dates will you write on it? Two dates. Dates ialah tarikh. Tarikh apakah yang kamu akan tulis kat situ? Today's date and the date you want the box to be opened. So two dates. Today's date and the date you want the box to be opened. Why will you need a special kind of pen to write on it? Okay, why will you need a special kind of pen to write on it? So that people will be able to read it in 50 years' time. And lastly, how will people in the future find the time capsule? Okay, so how will the people in the future find the time capsule? You'll find it from a map. You need to draw a map to show where your time capsule is. Okay, for the next activity, listen to a teacher talking to her class about a time capsule project. How many time capsules will the class make? Okay, these are the keywords. These time words and phrases will help you understand the order of instructions. First, next, then in a minute. In a minute means kejap lagi, 再过一下子. Finally, lastly. Okay, so now listen and choose the correct answers.
Making a time capsule. Exercise 3. Right. For this week's project, we're going to make a time capsule. First, can you all remember what a time capsule is? Come on, everyone. We talked about time capsules last lesson. Yes, Lizzie.
It's when we put some things in a box and hide it somewhere so that people in the future can find it.
That's right. The idea is that many years from now, people will find what we put in the box and learn more about our life now, at the beginning of the 21st century. So, in a minute, you're going to work in pairs. In your pairs, you're going to talk together about the things you think would show people what life is like today. And then each pair is going to write down the two best things from the ones you have discussed. Then your homework is to find one of the things you chose together and to bring it to the next lesson on Monday. You'll have to decide together who is going to bring what, so that you don't both bring the same thing. Then on Monday, we'll choose the 6 most interesting things and we'll put them in our time capsule.
Will we bury it somewhere, miss?
Yes, but not on Monday. On Monday, we'll look at the things you bring in, choose the 6 most interesting, and put them in the box. Finally, in Wednesday's lesson, we'll bury our time capsule. That will be something else for you to think about. The best place to bury our time capsule. But don't worry about that at the moment. Okay, now, you've got 15 minutes to talk about and decide on your 2 things. You can make notes if you want, but you don't have to.
Unit 5.
Okay, so here the students and the teacher are discussing about time capsule. Okay, so the teacher asked the students first to talk about 2 things that are the best. in the life now. Okay, and they are going to bring 6 things in the class on Monday. Then the next they will choose from the things, they will choose 6 and put in the box. And finally they are going to bury the time capsule on Wednesday. Okay, so that is that is for our recording today. If you couldn't understand, you can replay the recording again. That's all for our lesson today. Okay, remember to subscribe for more videos. Bye. See you again.